Hi everyone, the Penguin Chef here, and I'm joined today by the Penguin Sous Chef.
Hello.
What are we making today?
Nutmeg sherry cake.
Sounds good. So in our mixing bowl here, we have 4 eggs ready to go, and what do we have to do next?
Well, this is a dump cake, so we're just gonna go through our ingredients. But first we're gonna add 1 package of yellow cake mix. Dump. And we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Dump. And 3/4 cup of oil of the vegetable persuasion.
So next we're gonna add 3/4 cup of cream sherry.
Bye-bye.
So these last 2 ingredients I learned about from somebody who made cakes professionally. And the first one is 1 package of vanilla pudding. Now I know you might say, my cake mix already has pudding in it. Put this in anyway. Finally, we come to our last ingredient, and I'm not one for naming brand names and stuff like that, but this is the key to the whole thing, or so said my cake baking mentor, and that's Dream Whip. We got all of our ingredients in our bowl. It's time to mix.
Remember to start slow.
So we're gonna let that mix for about 4 minutes and scrape the bowl as needed. You can really smell that nutmeg, huh?
Yeah.
So what are we gonna do now?
We're gonna put it into a greased butt pan.
So now comes the noisy part. We're gonna tap it on the countertop to get rid of some of the air bubbles and to level it out. As always, I put down a tea towel so we don't break anything.
Okay, now we're done.
Good enough? Okay, then we're gonna go ahead and get this in our oven. We're gonna bake it at 350 degrees for 45 to 55 minutes. Oh, that looks and smells wonderful.
Yep.
All right, so now we just gotta let this cool completely. When it's cool enough, go ahead and turn it out onto your serving tray. Now you can ice this cake if you want to, but we like it with just a dusting of powdered sugar. Well, here it is, our nutmeg sherry cake. Doesn't it look delicious? Yeah, can't wait to eat it, huh?
Yeah.
Neither can I. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out the channel for more great recipes. Until next time.